What do you see in these images? Rice, grains, agricultural land, mining sites, microscopic life. They all have one thing in common: soil. Soil is a living system, and today we're killing this. If we go like this, 90% of our soils will be destroyed in 20 years due to industrial activity, mining, and intensive agriculture, and unfortunately wars. But we can actually bring soil back to life by using carbon cycle. It's absorbed from leaves of the plants, sweated out, and exchanged through the roots with microbes. Carbon is the blood in the veins. More carbon in the soil, more life. And today, how do we fix our soils is we mine limestone. It takes decades, emits CO2, and destroys one landscape to repair another. That makes no sense. So if we replace limestone with steel slag, a byproduct of steel making, we cut soil regeneration time in half, reducing costs and storing carbon directly into soil. At carbon slag, we turn an industrial waste into a carbon-negative soil pollution in post-mining soils. Our material works in the microscopic level, thinner than hair, acting like a sponge, giving its right conditions for enabling microbial life to return and actually absorbing CO2. For mining companies, we turn tax liabilities into climate assets just by switching from one material to carbon slag. On top of that, carbon avoidance and operational benefits. Carbon slag is not just a material. It's the missing link connecting industrial land and carbon in one circular system, creating value with waste. And the impact is massive. With 1% of local slag only, we could capture up to 2% of German annual emissions and create one of Europe's largest carbon sinks in Rhineland and Lusatia. We have been already validating with these pilots backed with scientific funding and strong industry partners by customizing solutions for different soils and regions. Our team connects the material science with landscapes through systemic thinking with all-female power. It started with one question: how we can make value with the waste. Long story short, if we lose our soils, we lose our food security, ecosystems, everything. So let's start bringing our soil back to life and join us. Thank you.